super stupid hard, stupid hard, super stupid hard. When I get through with your crew, you'll be saying my whole name. Regina's on the rampage, she bodied the whole gang. Cause all y'all do is run.
You won't believe this. I don't. Anyway, it says, A32 Uno Dinero of Boeing Company, right? It was back in 1977. The vice president dismissed the claimant of a typical organization that government themselves. Not just that, they predicted they would sell only a few dealerships of transportation in the skies. Their household name was larger than ever before in 1977, after the Declaration of Independence was signed by the third world country merged worlds, the Americs, an urban belief of language arts spokens. Their language arts belief. With the MCAS of MC intentions better competed with the Airbus of Boeing, a transportation shuttle challenger that launched through NASA's Space Museum into gas stations. After merging the organizations into their own non-profit organization, the government themselves, and going on the highest authorities and the diversity of government who actually got enslaved by their schedule of clarifying problems despite listening to the warnings of the temperatures that compromised the O-rings of their shuttle procedures by restoring the adjustment of sky shuttles. Not just that, tombstones, technology are sadly going to have to die for others to be safe, in need of serious, unfortunate truth, that is for now, of the Boeing Company. Their little fish was discovered in America.